10 to 15 minutes.
Then 5 minutes is
setting up live.
It's live.
Okay. Good morning, Sandhya. We are live on Facebook. I'm also sharing it to the group. Yes, good morning, Sandhya, and all the members of the Bangalore Schools community. Thank you so much for your support over all these years for us to run 2 successful expos so far. And we are very happy to announce the third one is coming through. And this one is going to happen on the 30th and 31st of October, and we are extremely excited about what is in store in that expo as well. And this is going to be bigger than ever, and that's a commitment that we have for all of you. So let me start with one of the very unique things of the expo. That is something that people have always looked forward to, and that has become a signature for our expo. So why don't you, Sandhya, just tell us about those 3 amazing contests that we have lined up this time in the expo, and that's going to be big as well as what I can understand from the momentum that it has already picked up. We've already announced the registrations, and registrations are already coming in, right? So why don't you tell us about the expo contest, Sandhya, first?
Okay, good morning. And as you can see, I'm very, very excited, especially since entries have been coming in. So just to give a gist of what the contests are about, the main one that started off is the Educator Speak. And in this, it's a paper presentation for adults. Participants have to submit an essay paper of 1,500 words on the topic empathy in education. You could write about your perspective on empathy, how important it is in education, how it can translate to better relationships at school, and anything that you would wish to focus on. The finalists get to present in front of the audience at the expo and win some exciting rewards. And this time we have cash awards too. Now, the second contest is Inspire Talk. It's a speaking platform for young speakers in the age group of 6 to 18. We have 3 age categories this time. All you have to do is submit a story under 1,000 words from anything in your life where you have exhibited empathy. It can be a simple act of kindness or something that has transformed somebody's life. And we're looking at genuine entries that can inspire another child to act upon. And if your short story is shortlisted, you will get 5 minutes to present it as a speech at the expo. Again, exciting awards, including cash awards. Now, the third one is the Social Impact Project, and this is open to children's teams. You could be representing a school, a club, an apartment, anywhere that a group of children have participated and done a project that has an impact on society. And all participants should be under the age of 18. It does not matter how big or small that project is, or even if it isn't totally completed and it is in the process, all you have to do is explain what the vision was, how you implemented it or are going to implement it, and if there's an outcome, what the final outcome was in a document, 1,500 words. Again, the selected finalists will be presenting this as a 10 minutes presentation at the expo. Again, all sorts of prizes included in this one as well. And these are our 3 signature contests that we have at every expo.
Fantastic. So that's great. And this time, for the first time ever, we are coming out with huge prizes for these. Sandhya said that there are going to be prizes, but imagine the amount of prizes that we are in store for you. We are going to have prizes equivalent to 50,000 rupees on each of this contest. So the winners are going to walk away with a lot of prizes apart from the mementos, the certificates, and all the visibility that you're going to get. Now, why should a school or a teacher participate in, say, an educator speaks? Sandhya? Why do you think a teacher should participate in this?
Okay, so usually we've noticed that teachers are the are really unseen faces of a school, and we wish to showcase their expertise, which also in turn gives parents also an understanding of that this particular school has so many teachers who are experts in what they are doing or thinking about education per se, and not just their subject experts. So the main idea how Educator Speak came up was to showcase teachers, which
But
has never been
this time
done
it is
before.
not just limited to teachers. As long as you are an educator or an education enthusiast, you're more than welcome to participate as long as you are above 18 years of age and you want to present a paper on empathy in education. That's all we are looking at. So the registrations are open at this point of time for all the contest. All you need to do is log in into www.bsci.in, and the registrations are there. Three amazing contests, and I'm all excited about this whole social impact project as well, because last time we had entries from across the world. We had finalists from the United States, we had finalists from Bombay, Chennai, Hyderabad, Bangalore, Mumbai, you name it, Delhi, you name it, they were there. And this time we are as excited because the entry seems to be very, very interesting as they are coming in. Inspire Talk again for children 6 to 18 years, but we have split it up this time. We have 3 age categories, right, Sandhya? So 6 to 10 is an age category, 11 to 14 is another age category, and 15 to 18 is a third age category. So you have amazing prizes split across these categories, and a very simple topic to talk about: empathy. All you need to do is submit those papers coming in. So that's about the contest, the 3 amazing contests that are going to be showcased at the expo on the finals. Last date of entry is the 30th of August. So please rush in your entries at the earliest. The next thing that we wanted to talk about is the participation avenues in the expo. And here we are looking at not just schools participating. So remember, this is not an expo only looking at admission. So that's only one part of the Bengaluru Education Expo that we conduct. We want to have parents, students, teachers, service providers, activity centers, all of them coming into that expo. And that's why this time the participation avenues are wider than ever before. So who all can participate? A school, obviously, the first choice for us, the school, right from a kindergarten school to a +2 school. You can participate in this expo if you're looking at admissions, if you're looking at branding, if you're looking at visibility. This is an expo that you need to be, because this is a targeted group which was started by a group of 55,000 parents. So that's where you want to be, because that is your target segment. So schools are the first segment that can come. This time, for the first time, we are going to have colleges coming in. So you can be a PU college, you can be a degree college, you can be an MBA college, engineering college, higher education, international university. You can all be here, because this is going to be the parental segment that you want to address, because this group looks at colleges and they want college admissions as well, and you want visibility in terms of what is happening around the world. So it doesn't matter where you're based. You don't need to be Bangalore based, because today online platform is opening up that kind of an environment everywhere. So that's the second part: schools and colleges. What else? You could be that key connector connecting all these people together, the service providers. So you could be a uniform supplier, you could be supplying learning management solution to schools, you could be somebody who's into any kind of service that you're providing to schools, can always be part of that. So we welcome you guys to be part of this expo, because you are going to have connection with the schools and the parents and all of them. The next category is activity centers. So this could include coaching centers. This could include coding, robotics, math tuition, tuition centers, you name it, as long as you are able to kind of give some value to parents or to students or to schools or colleges. you need to be there. We are also inviting education consultants because you are a major stream of connects for parents, and you want to you can tell us which school to go, which college to go, how to go about it, all of that stuff. So these are all categories that we are looking forward to it. Now, how are you going to do it? We are going to have 3 separate exhibition halls this time, which will cater to schools on one side, colleges on other side, and the service providers and activity centers on the other side. And we will always pair you up where you belong in terms of your category. And that's how this exhibition is going to be big. What else? We have multiple options of participation. Okay. Can you believe it? We are going to have a stall that you can take at a rent of just 5,000 rupees. That's all you need to pay to get an entry into this exhibition as a stall owner, just 5,000 rupees. We start from there, and then we have multiple options of stalls depending on what all facilities you want in that stall, what all visibility, what all branding you want. We can customize that stall into 3 types. So there is going to be type A, B, and C types of stalls. The type C is the entry level stall, which I said is going to be just 5,000 rupees for 2 whole days of expo. And that's what is going to be attractive enough for you. Last 2 expos, we had more than 2,200 registration. So which means that we only taken a registration from a family, but the entire family would have walked in. So the number of walk-ins would have been much more, but we have only looked at 1 registration for family. So we have had more than 2,000 plus registrations in both the expos that we have held, and this time it is going to be much bigger. So that's about the stalls. What else? Contests that Sandhya spoke about, all these contests are up for sponsorship. So we are looking at sponsors who can come and take up those sponsorships of the contest. Now, what is in for you? Multiple things: visibility, stall, your branding in the expo, your branding in various events that we are conducting, and an exclusive discussion with you at the venue. That's what is installed for you if you are sponsoring a contest. Now, what else? The big sponsorship, the title sponsorship, and 3 co-sponsorships are up for stake as well. That's big because that is our title sponsor and that's our co-sponsors. Lot of options, again, they're available. We want to kind of send you those details. So reach out to us so that we can send you those details on what all are available as a sponsor, as a contest sponsor, as a stall owner. All the details are also available in our website, which is www.bsei.in. You can get all those details from there, and you can always reach out to me or Sandhya for more information that you want. The other thing that, Sandhya, we want to really talk about is what really makes our expo very different, which are the panel discussions. So what do you want to say about the panel discussions this time? Because last time we were loaded with panel discussions. We had 15 panel discussions happening. This time you insisted that we need to have 2 auditoriums so that we can accommodate as many panels as possible. Sandhya, that's your area of expertise. That's your brainchild. So why don't you tell us about the panel discussions happening, Sandhya?
So this time as well, we have a lot of panel discussions on value-added topics for parents. A lot of these common questions that are coming up in the group and otherwise that I get from the parents will be addressed. Some of them the same as last time as well. We will be having new panel discussions here and the experts on board. That's what you need to look forward to. Because the topic, not just the topics, it's important who we get as experts on the panel. And we've already lined up quite a few experts from the industry to be addressing and giving you all the correct information. There's a lot of myths running around. So we want to debunk all of that. And we have in store quite a few important topics that parents are looking forward to, as well as topics related to schools and college education in India. So that's
why a parent should come in. That's what is there for a parent, not just stalls, panel discussion, contests for your children. Watch out the educators speak, look out for that social impact project. All of this you can do.
Oh, we forgot something. Manoj, yes. There's also games for
absolutely. Oh yes. A lot of engagement activities. You walk around the stalls and you want to take a break. There is a gaming center where you can spend some time playing some games. There are photo booths where you can click some pictures of yours. So this is going to be an experience like never before. And you know the biggest benefit, you can actually sit in your living room and attend this online expo. You don't have to drive, you don't have to be worried about the traffic, and you have an exposure to schools, colleges, education institutions, activity centers, service providers from across India or maybe across the world. So why should you come? These are the reasons that you should come. We
And
look
a few
forward.
more and a few more surprises that we are working on and we will be soon announcing.
Absolutely. So more surprises coming in as we move on. 30th and 31st October are the dates of the expo. Yesterday, we've opened up the sponsorship and stalls. We've already started getting inquiries for it. So any of you who are listening, or your friends, your connects, your contacts have businesses related to education, schooling, college, parenting, so activity centers, coaching centers, please connect to us. We want to be that platform that will collaborate and connect all these 5 pillars of education together. And that's what this expo is all about. So we look forward to hearing more from you as the days progress. Reach out to us at any point of time for any clarification you have on the expo. Visit our website again, www.bsei.in. Thank you so much and have a fantastic weekend, and look forward to seeing you at the expo. Thank you so much.
Thank you.